I'm Leah Cherner.
And I'm Colleen Dieter. We're celebrating the kickoff of the Central Texas Seed Library by showing you how to plant seeds.
I guess you can't just throw them on the ground, huh?
No, no, that's how it works in nature, but certain seeds like bluebonnets have protective coats that prevent them from sprouting all in the same year. So that way, if it's too wet or too dry this year, the plant will still be able to reproduce in following years.
Okay, well that's smart for the plants, but a lot of gardeners, they want these plants to germinate this season, which is where seed preparation comes in. So I'll show you how I prepare bluebonnet seeds for planting. All you do is just take some boiling water and pour it over the seeds through a strainer, and then let them dry. This will break that seed coat.
Okay. Do you like to do that instead of scarifying?
Yeah, some gardeners like to scarify their seeds with sandpaper to break the seed coat, but I just find that this is pretty easy to do it this way.
Okay, so that's just boiling water. And you should always read the seed packet if you're buying seeds, because they'll have special instructions for each kind of seed. So for example, I have sweet peas right here, and on the seed packet they recommend soaking the seeds overnight because the sweet peas have a really hard seed coat too.
Okay, and so I'm just going to let these seeds dry, and once they're dry, they're ready for planting in a full sun area. So I like to lightly scrape or rake the soil first in the area and then scatter the seeds by hand. The best time to plant is October or November for wildflower seeds in Texas. What other seeds did you bring, Colleen?
I brought some lettuce seeds. This is a variety called Flashy Trout Back. And it will say on the seed packet to plant a 1/4 inch or 1/8 of an inch deep. But the thing about lettuce seeds is that they actually need light to sprout. So what I like to do instead is I'll just sprinkle them over the top of the soil, and I don't even bury them like this. And then I'll just gently kind of squish them down so that they have good soil contact, like that. Okay.
And how do you water them?
Okay, and then it's really important because they're so small and light, it's really important to water them with a really gentle shower of water like that. So a watering can with like a shower head type action on it so they don't wash away.
I think lettuce seeds are a good crop to do successive sowing, right?
Yeah, so successive sowing is where you would plant a few seeds this week and then a few seeds next week, and that way you can have a continuous harvest.
Well, cool. Let's get out and plant some seeds. If we can do it, so can you.